I'm back. Hello, everybody. And you should be saying welcome back because I've been gone for 2.5 years. That's a long time. A really long time. First off, I'm going to try not to apologize so much in 2020. So I want to thank you. I want to thank you for being patient, for being understanding. Maybe you weren't, but I kind of just disappeared. Last time, I think the last video was either what's in my hospital bag or 40-week update of my pregnancy, my first pregnancy, because I had another baby. Surprise. Yeah, a lot has happened. I've planned on coming back a long time ago, but I've been super busy and I was like, you know what? Let's do it. But I did just film a chatty, get ready with me, life update, that whole thing. So if you want to look a little bit more and hear a little bit more about what actually happened, you can take a look at that video. And I'm just looking forward to this new year and making more videos and being more involved and having fun. Like, I'm looking to have fun and share all the new exciting things that has gone on in my life. So things are good, things are great, and there have been other changes, but all good. So I'm looking forward to this new year. Again, thank you. And do you want me to say like what I used to say? The whole like, subscribe, stay happy, right? As always, be sure to stay happy. Are we keeping that? Are we not? I don't know. We'll see how we feel. But here's to a little bit more of each other. And I will actually see you soon. Bye, guys.